Welcome to this short description of how to play Open Compound Noun Dominoes, the digital version. The first student is going to look at their tiles and choose any one that they would like and drag it to the middle of the game board. Player 2 then looks to see, do they have a word that will form a compound noun with either tie or car? So key tie, no. Car tag, no. Car bumps, wet tie, car buds, seat tie, car wash. Ah, that works. So I can drag that and I can choose to put it next to the first one. I can choose to put it directly under car, or I can choose to rotate it and then put it under car. It doesn't matter as long as car and wash are right next to each other like that. Player 3 then looks to see, do I have one that will form an open compound noun with tie or French? And continues on. If the player looks through all of their words and is not able to find one that matches, so French suit, French game, French can, French maker, French rope, French trailer. None of those work. What about rib tie, name tie, weather tie, high tie, goose tie, video tie? I don't have a player that works. That means that my turn is over and player 4 then has a chance to play. If only 2 players are playing, each player takes 2 sets of dominoes. The first player to get rid of all of their dominoes is the winner. I hope that helps you to better understand how to play Open Compound Noun Dominoes, the digital version.